So girls, please turn to page number 6. Page number 6.
Science?
You about page number 6. Science, yes, module E, bit girls. Module E, page number
Okay.
6. And you have the question, what is Earth system? What is Earth system? So the definition is the Earth systems, all of the matter. So what do you have inside that? Whenever I'm talking about the system of the Earth, I need to explain, or you need to know about 3 things. You need to know about all the matter. You need to
All the matter, energy, and
matter.
process.
Yes. You need to know about the processes going on, whether it's biological, chemical process, and don't forget the energies, starting from the source of the sun. All right. Now, previously, even for the Earth system, you need to know that there were 2 factors, biotic factors. One second, girls. Biotic factors and abiotic factor. Even in my previous class, I have discussed with you all that biotic factors, when I'm talking about biotic factors, that is bio.
Living thing?
Yes. Give me an example of biotic factor.
Plant.
Okay, plants. And give me an example of abiotic factor.
Book.
Okay, book. Usually we say abiotic factors for rocks. That is the atmosphere. Okay. Now, coming to the next thing, Earth system is divided into Earth system. Actually, it's nothing but matter, energy, process. Now, when we divide exactly Earth system is divided into 5 main parts. I'm just going to write the first initials and you will say me G, H, C, A, and B. I remember that I told you, remember the word cab, that means like a car. Okay, cab. And remember GH with any word what you like. You know, grow or G for anything what you want. GH, cab. The name of the cab, GH. Okay. So, or go Honda cab or anything. So G is for, girls, tell me the layer of the earth. G is for? Anyone who can try this? G is for?
Geosphere.
Very good. You all have your book in front of you, girls. G is for geosphere. H is for hydrosphere. C is this. This is something new. I told you hydro means, what do you remember? Remember the blue color. Hydro means water. The, you know what, the earth, what the part of earth which is covered with water. Okay, C, remember cryosphere.
Cryosphere and
Remember with the word cry. That does
okay.
is crying, but you can remember with the word cry. Cryosphere, EA, everyone knows, even a small kid. Atmosphere, and B, biosphere. At least the names, girls, remember, GH cab. Like tomorrow when I'm gonna ask you, tell me how the Earth system is divided. You will say GH cab, G is geosphere, H hydrosphere, C cryosphere, A atmosphere, and B biosphere. Can you repeat one by one? I don't know where are the girls today. They did not even answer me in my math.
Yes, I'm here.
You are here, Zishan, Judy, and of course Noor will be there. Miral, can you just tell me all the 5 systems? All the 5 systems.
Miss.
G, C, G, H, and cab. G for
Geosphere.
geosphere. Zishan, repeat that so that Miral listen to you and she will repeat all of it.
I repeat it all.
Yes,
Um, Geosphere, hydrosphere, cryosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere.
very good. G, geosphere, and H, hydrosphere. C, cryosphere, and then A, atmosphere, B, biosphere. These are the one you have to repeat, Miral. Can you please?
Okay. G for geosphere.
Yes.
And then
H,
biosphere.
hydrosphere. Good. C, C,
Um,
C is for crying. Remember, C, cry. Cryosphere.
cryosphere,
A,
atmosphere,
atmosphere. B,
biosphere.
biosphere. Dana, repeat all of them. Still, your mic is not working now. Good. Repeat all of them.
Cryosphere
Hmm. Start with G.
at
Start with
oh
G. GHCAB.
geosphere
Geosphere, yes.
hydrosphere
Hmm.
at um
Hmm.
um
C, cryosphere.
um
A,
atmosphere
B.
biosphere.
Very good. Now, girls, after finishing this one, let us start with let me explain you the layers of Earth. Okay, when I come to layer of Earth, of course, this one, I think we had done this last year. I don't know, sure, but I think that I did with you all an activity, I guess, or with grade 6. I mean, or with grade layers of Earth. The first layer, the second layer, this is the inner core, this is the outer core, and widest one, you know, the widest one here, this is still. And we have very thin one. Actually, it has to be more thin, girls. I will erase it. It has to be more thin. This one is the earth crust. The earth crust is all. So, you know, the first one, geosphere, is nothing but the solid part of the earth. It extends from where? From the center of the earth to the surface. It is divided into 3 layers. The core has both outer and inner, mantle, and earth crust. Again, it has crust. It has crust. It has mantle, and it has core. You know very well that I told you the crust is the geosphere. The crust is the what we live on, geosphere. So the thin outermost layer of the geosphere is called the crust. It is made up of mostly silicate minerals. You have mostly silica. Silicate minerals means silica mixed with something. The crust beneath the ocean is called oceanic crust. If it is below the ocean, it is called as oceanic crust, which is 5 to 10 kilometer thick. So we have below ocean called as oceanic crust. In continents, we call it as continental crust. In ocean, we have oceanic crust. In continent, we have continental crust. Now, mantle is just below the crust, which is, you don't have to remember the numbers, 2,900 kilometers thick, which is 2,900 kilometers thick. Once again. It is made up of silicate minerals. Again, this is also made of silicate minerals. The central part is the core, the inner and outer core, which is 3,500 kilometers. So see guys, inner plus outer is 3,500. Inner plus outer, both of them, if you add, it's 3,500. Mantle is the widest, 2,900 kilometers. And girls, this core is made up of magnetic substance, iron and nickel. Once again, I say you have inner, you have outer, you have mantle, you have crust. Inner and outer is made up of iron and nickel. Mantle is made up of silica minerals. Even earth crust is mostly of silica minerals. The core is solid and inner core is liquid. The outer core is solid. You know, we say solid, but it is semi-solid. Like how lava comes out, it's semi-solid. But the inner core is actually solid because of the pressure on it. Did you understand this, girls? This was all of page 7.
Yes.
And about geosphere. Now coming to next thing, turn to page number 8, girls. Next, GH. What is H, girls? Who's gonna say me what is H?
Hydrosphere.
Hydrosphere.
So what I'm going to talk about when I say the word hydro, what does that indicate? That means I'm going to speak about
Liquid.
water. I'm going to speak about water. Whenever the word hydro or hydrate, it comes in science, that means something related to water. So for first thing for hydrosphere, remember 97% of Earth, imagine, it's nothing but water. And in that, mostly it is the salt water. Ocean covers 71% of Earth's surface. 71% of Earth's surface is covered by ocean. That means salted water. Rain and the water droplets in rest all, you will say, teacher, how about the other percentage? How about the other 20 something percentage? That is rivers and other type of water. Rain and the water droplets in clouds are also part of hydrosphere. Even when I'm talking about clouds, these are hydrosphere because they have the drops of water. The water on Earth is constantly moving. It moves through the ocean in currents because of winds. You know that water is continuously moving. This water is continuously moving because of what? Because of winds. It falls back to the earth as rain. When it go by evaporation, when this water evaporation It comes back on Earth as rain. This is all you have understood. It even moves into and out of living thing. This was all about hydrosphere, girls. So we studied today what? We studied about layers of or different type of Earth system. In that, I told you, remember G, H, C, A, and B. In that, I taught you geosphere today. And I taught you hydrosphere.
Hydrosphere.
Okay? When I said geosphere, you remember the layers of Earth. That is what? Core, mantle.
Crust.
Especially Miral, please concentrate because you never heard these words before. Core, mantle, and crust. These are the layers of the Earth that cover geosphere. When I spoke about hydrosphere, I told you 97% is water. That has both salt water, and in that 71% is oceanic water. Oceans cover about 71% of Earth's surface.
Okay.
So that's it for today, girls. Anything else you would like to know? Any? Take care and have a nice day.